30 hari baca puisi. Kali ini saya akan bacakan karya penyair Inggris Simon Armitage dari buku Aeroplane. Karya berjudul sama Paper Aeroplane. The man sitting next to me on a flight was reading a blank book, keen eyes, panning left to right across empty leaves, fingers turning from one white space to the next. Sometimes he nod agreeably or shake his head or painstakingly underline some invisible text with red ink and decorate the margin with an exclamation mark or asterisk. It was a hefty-looking tome, hand-stitched but wordless front and back and down the spine. Coming in to land, he laid the silver ribbon marker between two bare pages to save his place. I was wearing noise-canceling headphones, listening to fine mist, when he leaned across and shouted, "Forgive the intrusion, but would you sign this for me? I think it's your best."